Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. So we're waiting on another project to dry. I made this chair, gosh, years ago. Probably when I was 14, 15, so like 6 years ago. It was a cool idea, not the best idea. So it was supposed to be like a hung, it's like supposed to conform to your geometry. But in reality, it's just structurally weak, and these straps don't add that much. So today we're going to remove the straps and just attach the slats directly to the wood. We need to go get a smaller Torx bit and some small screws. Here I come, here I come. Did you turn on the receiver?
Yeah.
Dang, you think of everything. Always use star drive. If you're using Phillips screws, you need to reevaluate. I call it star drive, it's Torx, but whatever. So the geometry really should be adjusted. This angle is too much right here. The back should be slacker. And it's really not going to work well for anyone shorter than me. But I think I'm just going to screw these back how it is, because I don't have the time or energy to readjust the whole frame, but it should work. So one problem it had was it's quite wimbly wombly, but with all these screwed back, it should be pretty solid. Once these are all screwed back rigid, this brace piece should be redundant, and I should be able to remove it and it should still be solid. So we'll just put one on and then use another one as a spacer and keep going. I should pre-drill these, but ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, so these are all fixed, solid, screwed. It was suspended with straps before, these slats. It was a cool idea. This is really much more practical, far more solid, and I was able to remove this unnecessary support. So now it's only the slat